An important safety message from Nissan. Takata, a manufacturer of airbags, has discovered defects in some of their products. These defective airbags are fitted in certain Nissan vehicles. Sharp metal fragments are passing through the airbag cushion. Serious injury or death could occur. Driver side, passenger side, or both airbags may be affected. Is your Nissan vehicle affected? Do you or loved ones own any of these affected models? Current owners may not have received a recall notice from Nissan Australia. If your Nissan model is listed, please locate your VIN and contact your Nissan dealer to check if your vehicle is affected. Your Nissan dealer will fix the defect free of charge. The safety of you and your passengers is important to us.